there, beautiful person. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am the Indie Celestine. If you aren't subscribed, please take a moment and subscribe down below. Subscription is completely free. Also turn on your post notification so that you can be notified each and every single time I drop a new video. Let's get right into today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a lip combo that you are going to love a lot, so let's get right into it. First of all, I'm wiping off my lip gloss so that I can have a clean and workable slate. I'll be starting with the Ushas lip gloss in the shade Metallic Chestnut color 8. I'll use this to get a thick lip line on my lips. If you use this, you have to take your time and be careful because it's fast drying once it hits your skin. If you make any mistakes, use a concealer to correct it or a paper towel dapped in olive oil. Next, I'm using my nude shade lipstick in the color 10 to fill in my inner lips. The lipstick got on my teeth at that point, so I was trying to clean it off. I'm just going to go in and adjust and fill in any mistakes. Now you can stop here if you love a matte look or a matte finish to your lip combos, but I personally love a glossy finish and my look ain't complete without the gloss. So I'll be using my Absolute long lasting lip gloss to finish up with this look, and I absolutely love it. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you loved this lip combo. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified each and every single time I drop a new video like this one. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section, and what is your favorite lip combo? Let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye.